Okay, so following on from the previous video where we added the menu section over on the left, we're going to now move down to the basket area. This basket will also be a table showing the pizzas which the user selects by clicking on the add button just here, followed by an order total section and a button to then go ahead and place the order. And in the future, this order button will be linked up to our JavaScript to then push this order to our database. So for the table section, this will contain a single row. This row will have the quantity and a button either side to either increase or decrease the quantity. It will have the name of the selected pizza and also the price too. Okay, so below our level 3 heading for the basket, create a div. And this div will contain the structure for our basket, which will be a table at the very top. Then the text, which is going to be the order total. For now, just place in any value which you want to. This will be updated and calculated with JavaScript. Next, a button which will be responsible later on for placing the order. Some text is fine for now. Let's check how this is looking. There's all of our content. Now we can move into the table section. So the table will contain a single table row. And the first table data cell is going to be 2 buttons and also the quantity. So we'll have the quantity in the middle, and then a decrease button on the left, and an increase button to the right. So the first button, with the class of quantity underscore button, the type, which is also button, and then the HTML entity, which is the ampersand, the hash 8722 followed by the semicolon. This will give us the negative symbol, and then we'll add the quantity, and then to the right a button with the plus symbol. So for the quantity, which will sit in the middle, just place in any quantity for now. Copy our button and paste this in at the bottom. And simply change the code number to be 43. Later on, these buttons will be used to increase and decrease this value before we add this to the basket. It will also update the order total as we change things too. Okay, so that's our first piece of table data. The second one is going to be for the pizza name, and also the option size, and the third one, this is the price of the pizza. Okay, save and over to the browser. This is all the information we now need for the basket. And with all of this content now in place, we'll next look at adding a little styling to make it look a little bit better and also improve the layout.